Sup everyone, this is Elijah of Financial Anatomy coming at you with another video helping you take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about side hustles, personal finance, investing, and also ways to make money online. And in this video we're going to be talking about the first one among those things because we're going to be covering the Webull Lab and how to do something. So Webull is an investing platform that people use to invest their money. It's pretty known for its advanced features and having a lot of information inside the app that you can use to make an investment decision. In addition to having many more advanced features that other investing apps tend to lack. They are also known for their generous referral program where if you invite someone, they sign up and fund the account with at least $100, you can get 2 free stocks and they can get 2 free stocks too, usually valued between $400 and $1,400. And sometimes the amount of stocks that you can receive from Webull this way are actually higher than just 2. But some people have the question of, how do you invite your friends? Well, that's what we're going to be covering in this video. So we're going to go over to the Webull Lab directly so I can show you where the invite is and how you can invite your friends. So first things first, we need to open the Webull Lab. So I'm going to open Webull. And it's taking me to my watch list by default. So from here, you want to click the menu button and you see where it says My Free Stock. You want to click on that. And it takes you to a section to where you can view the free stocks that you've obtained so far. You can find out the dynamics of what the referral program is offering at the time by clicking on the buttons at the top of the screen. So we're going to click on Invitation Bonus. And it's letting us know that if you refer 1 friend, get 2 free stocks. The more referrals you have, the more stocks you will receive. And the stocks are currently valued between $800 and $1,600. So the valuation of these stocks has actually gone up. If we scroll down, we have a few ways that you can invite people. The first way is you can just put their email address in and the email is automatically generated and sent to them. That's probably the most simple way. You can also share your referral link by clicking on Share Referral, and it successfully copies that link to your clipboard. So let's move out of here and just go to my notes section so you can see what this looks like. If I paste what I just copied, this is actually my personal Webull link. So I can put this anywhere, and if anyone clicks on it and funds their account with that $100, both of us will get 2 free stocks. Another way that you can invite people is by clicking on Invite Now, and you'll have the option to share that link on Facebook or on Twitter. If we click More, it gives you a few different ways of sharing the link. So all the apps you have on your phone, it's going to basically offer this as an option to send that link or information. You can keep track of how many people have accepted your invites by clicking on My Invites. From here, it'll let you know how many people you've invited, how many people have actually had their account approved, and how many people have completed the deposit necessary for you to get your free stocks. Keep in mind that even after someone has fulfilled the initial requirements needed for you to get your stocks, it may take up to 2 weeks for you to actually get the stocks. And once you actually get the stocks, you want to make sure that you check this section regularly because Webull will notify you that you have a new referral and you'll need to take some action in order to claim it. If you don't claim it, it just goes back into cyberspace after a little while. So you want to make sure that you claim it. Once you claim it, there's a duration of time you need to wait before that stock is actually yours. But once it's yours, it's going to appear in your list of stocks that you own. That covers how to invite your friends on the Webull Lab. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you haven't signed up for the Webull Lab and want to take advantage of the free stocks that I just mentioned, you can do so by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I come out with my next video on Webull. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.